I started as a content creator many, many years ago. The microphone I started with was the Blue Yeti USB microphone. And I became a full-time streamer with this actual Blue Yeti 10 years ago, before I started my career as a media executive. And I made about 500 to 1,000 videos on this microphone. Got, I don't know, 10 or 20 million views off of it, and it kicked off my career. The Blue Yeti USB microphone. So with the Blue Yeti USB mic, which I'm featuring in my carousel, it's got a couple key features that everybody else copied in the microphone world. One of those key features is having multiple pickup patterns on the back of the microphone. The multiple pickup patterns are a pretty worthless feature, in my opinion. You're going to want to just go cardioid mode with this mic because it sounds best there. And then with the gain, you're going to want to go 12 o'clock on this mic, and you talk into the front of it. So I see so many people talking into this mic, like pointing it into the front of their face like this. That is incorrect. With the Blue Yeti, you're supposed to talk toward the Blue Yeti logo to maximize quality. A couple other really awesome features about the mic. It's got the mute on and off button. Not a fan of how it clicks. Listen. Hear the click? It's a loud click. Don't like the click, but whatever. And it's got a volume knob on it. Everybody else copied that. And you can plug headphones into it. Should you buy the Blue Yeti USB mic in 2021? The answer is yeah, it's still a great mic. It's still one of the best USB mics for the money. Why? Because it is incredibly sensitive and it still has a very high quality audio signal for the money. So Blue Yeti is absolutely worth a purchase in that $130-ish range. I have mine. I still love it. I still recommend it. The main disadvantage of the Blue Yeti, this is the last thing I'll say about the Yeti, is it is unbelievably sensitive. And so if you're not in an acoustically treated space like the one I have here, with a rug, with acoustic panels on the walls, with a bunch of stuff in here just soaking up sound, this microphone, the Blue Yeti USB microphone, is going to eat up. It's going to pick up everything in the room. The air conditioning, the fan, your dog, you scraping on your keyboard, you clicking on your mouse, everything. So just keep that in mind, okay? It's the major disadvantage of the Blue Yeti. Cool? Still very much recommend it.